Come test drive the 2021 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, child safety locks.